Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd share a story with you of what it's like to be an amputee out in the wild. So the other day, I was having lunch in the dining room at Taco Bell. There was a guy kind of kitty-cornered to me on the opposite side of the restaurant. He finishes up his meal and he walks by my table as he's throwing away his garbage. He stops, he asks, so I gotta ask, what's the deal with that thing on your hand? Like, is it a part of a costume or what? I said, well, it's my prosthetic hand. I don't have any fingers on this hand, so, it's what I use to pick up stuff. And he's like, well, so, but what's it do? And this goes on back and forth for a bit. Clearly, he doesn't get what it is or what it does. So I go and I take it off, and just as I take it off, in his best outside voice, he proclaims, oh my gosh, you don't have any fingers on your hand. I look down, I go, oh my gosh, you're right. And then he goes, oh, wow, I said that really loud, didn't I? I said, well, you kind of did. And he goes and apologizes for that. And I said, well, that's okay. I'm kind of used to it. And he asked me some more questions. We finish up our conversation, go about our way. But I thought that was kind of an interesting interaction. Thought I'd share it with you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thanks for watching.